Hi. My name is Max. I hope you are doing great. Right now, I'm visiting the beautiful Hawaii. Don't you love the view? Nature is beautiful here. Well, we need to understand nature, like we should understand algebraic expressions.
We could say that a to the power of n is equal to the product of a, n times.
For example, 3 to the power of 5 is equal to the product of 3, 5 times. If we solve the operation, we get 243. So, what will be the result of the following operation? 5 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 6 to the power of 2. Very good. The result is 77. Easy, right? Now, we can talk about variables.
A variable is a letter used to stand for a number, like x, y, z, or a, b, c.
Variables are used to change verbal expressions into algebraic expressions, that is, expressions that are composed of letters that stand for numbers. Keywords that can help you translate words into letters and numbers include sum, more than, greater than, increase. This means that we need to add terms of an expression. Minus, less than, smaller than, decrease, which means we need to subtract terms. Times, product, multiplied by, of, in here we need to multiply terms. And have, divided by, ratio, in here we need to divide. Let's analyze the following example. The sum of a number and 5. We can represent this as x plus 5. Another example could be 3 more than the product of 2 and x. We can use these concepts in real-world situations. Owen scored 85, 95, and 90 on his last 3 algebra tests. What was his average score for these tests? First, remember to find what the question is asking. Then, focus on and pull out important information. And finally set up the work that is needed. In this case that will be 85 plus 95 plus 90, that is equal to 270. And if we divide that by 3, we get 90. So that means that Owen's average test score for these tests was 90. Now, let's talk about how to apply the properties of operations to generate equivalent expressions. Properties of operations can be used to find an expression that is equivalent to a given expression. Like the distributive property. This one says that the product of a number and a sum is equal to the sum of the number multiplied by each addend. For example, 8 times x minus 4. First, think of x minus 4 as x plus negative 4. Next, multiply 8 by x and negative 4, and add the products. Then, simplify. The result is 8x minus 32. Interesting, right? Well, just remember, for a complete lesson plan and activity visit Snowflake.live. So, what do you say? Can you continue recognizing algebraic expressions in real-world situations? Just remember that today you learned the concept and characteristics of whole number exponents, variables and algebraic expressions, and how to apply the properties of operations to generate equivalent expressions. Practice a lot and you will see that you will be better at it. I have to go now. Bye. And see you next time.